The coronavirus variant that drove India's devastating COVID-19 pandemic is the most infectious to emerge so far. Doctors now want to know if it's also most severe. Hearing impairment, severe gastric upsets, and blood clots leading to gangrene, symptoms not typically seen in COVID patients, have been linked by doctors in India to the so-called Delta variant. In England and Scotland, early evidence suggests that the new dominant strain carries a higher risk of hospitalization. Delta, also known as B1.617.2, has spread to more than 60 countries over the past 6 months and triggered travel curbs from Australia to the US. A spike in infections, fueled by the Delta variant, has put pressure on the UK government to reconsider its plans of reopening later this month. Higher rates of transmission as compared to other variants and a reduction in the effectiveness of vaccines has made understanding the strain's effects critical. Stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, hearing loss, and joint pain are among the ailments COVID-19 patients are experiencing, according to doctors treating patients across India. Beta and Gamma variants, first detected in South Africa and Brazil respectively, have shown little to no evidence of producing different clinical signs, according to a study. Some patients develop microthrombi or small blood clots so severe that they cause the affected tissue to die and develop gangrene, a Mumbai-based cardiologist has said. He has treated 8 patients with thrombic complications at the Seven Hills Hospital in the last 2 months. 2 of these required amputations of finger or a foot. India has also reported 18.6 million cases so far in 2021 as compared to the 10.3 million cases in 2020. The Delta variant was the primary cause behind the country's deadlier second wave and is 50% more contagious than the Alpha strain that was first spotted in the UK. Cases of mucormycosis, a rare opportunistic fungal infection, have also been surging in India. It had infected more than 8,800 COVID patients and survivors as of May 22nd, forcing local healthcare authorities to call it an epidemic. Even as India's outbreak begins to ease, daily infections have slipped to about a quarter of the May 7 peak. Delta has sparked outbreaks elsewhere in the world. This includes virus havens such as Taiwan, Singapore, and Vietnam, who are now bolstering calls for mass immunization. There is emerging evidence that Delta and at least one other variant may be adept at evading vaccine-induced antibodies. Hence, pharmaceutical companies are now under pressure to tweak existing shots or develop new ones.